Hello everyone, today we are going to complete vocabulary and grammar section from chapter number 8, Stephen Hawking, Undying Zest for Life. Vocabulary, a compound noun. So compound noun is made up of two or more different words. Exercise A, create compound nouns using each of these words. Make as many words as you can. यहाँ पे कुछ words दिए हैं, उससे हमें compound nouns बनाने हैं. So let's see first air, airlift, air force, airtight, airlace, airdrop. Second, back, backpack, backward. Third, book, bookworm, bookmark. Fourth, fire, fireman, firefighter, fire engine. Fifth is French, Frenchman, French press, French hills. Sixth, sun, sunlight, suntan, sunblock, sunscreen. Then B, फाइंड वर्ड्स रिलेटेड टू साइंस इन द वर्ड क्रिएट. यहाँ पे ये जो कुछ वर्ड्स दिए हैं ना, ये सारे आपको यहाँ पर ढूंढने हैं. देन नेक्स्ट, डिक्शनरी स्किल्स. फाइंड द ओरिजिन ऑफ दिस वर्ड्स विद द हेल्प ऑफ द इंटरनेट और अ डिक्शनरी. सो फर्स्ट वर्ड इज सेल, ओरिजिन इज लैटिन origin. Second, tissue, Latin. Third, dissect, Latin. Fourth, sample, French. Fifth, volume, Latin. Sixth, bacteria, Greek origin. Seven, element, Latin. Eight, specimen, Latin. Ninth, chemistry, Greek. 10th, laboratory, Latin. 11th, psychology, Greek. Then 12th, experiment, Latin. Then grammar section, transitive and intransitive verbs. Exercise A, identify the verbs in these sentences and write if they are transitive or intransitive. So in first sentence, my grandfather felt unwell. तो यहाँ पे verb है felt and it is intransitive. Then second, Meera giggled at the joke. Giggled, transitive. Third, the cheetah runs very fast. Runs, intransitive. Fourth, I like chocolate waffles with ice cream. Transitive. Fifth, Kabir hid the books from his naughty cousins. Transitive. Sixth, the injured boy sobbed quietly into his handkerchief. Transitive. 7. The intelligent girl recited an interesting but long poem. Transitive. Then 8. The coach selected, मैंने यहाँ पर वर्ब को अंडरलाइन किया है. ओके, द कोच selected many girls from my class for the basketball team. It is transitive. Then 9. I sent you a message last evening. Transitive verb. Then 10th, my best friend lives in Lucknow, the capital of Uttar Pradesh. It is transitive. Then next, use this verb to create a sentence as indicated. तो यहाँ पे फर्स्ट दिया है ट्रांजिटिव और उसमें कुछ वर्ब्स दिए हैं जैसे आंसर, ड्रिंक, परचेस, स्टील, टेलीफोन. इन्हें यूज़ करके हमें ट्रांजिटिव, इनका यूज जो है वो ट्रांजिटिव तरीके से करना है. सो फर्स्ट, शी आंसर्स मेनी क्वेश्चंस. देन ड्रिंक, I drink a glass of water in the morning. Purchase, she purchased a car. Steal, he stole the diamonds. Telephone, could you telephone me? Then second, intransitive. Capsize, the boat capsized. She felt sad. Then laugh, they laughed loudly. Sing, she sang well. Sleep, I slept early. Then types of sentences. So there are 4 types of sentences: declarative, interrogative, imperative, exclamative. In declarative sentence, make a statement about how things are or how they are not. ठीक है, जैसे एग्जाम्पल दिया है, हॉकिंग डिसाइडेड नॉट टू गिव अप. देन इंट्रोगेटिव मतलब क्वेश्चन रहेगा, जब वो सेंटेंस खत्म होगा तो वहाँ पर क्वेश्चन मार्क रहेगा. देन इम्परेटिव सेंटेंस फंक्शंस एज अ कमांड और एन इंस्ट्रक्शन. इम्परेटिव सेंटेंस यूज टू प्रोवाइड एडवाइस और मेक अ रिक्वेस्ट और एन इन्विटेशन. देन एक्सक्लेमेटिव सेंटेंस. एक्सक्लेमेटिव सेंटेंस यूजुअली एक्सप्रेस सरप्राइज और शॉक, और सेंटेंस खत्म होने के बाद क्या लगेगा वहाँ पर? एक्सक्लेमेटरी मार्क. देन सी, Rearrange the words to make meaningful sentences and add the correct punctuation marks. Identify what type of a sentence it is. ये जो सारे हैं मैंने नेक्स्ट पेज पर किए हैं, मैं वो आपको पढ़कर दिखाती हूँ. फर्स्ट सेंटेंस, do not play with a knife. Imperative sentence. Second, what is your favorite subject? Interrogative sentence. Third, how beautiful that house was! Exclamatory. Fourth, what were you doing last Sunday? Interrogative. Question mark है तो interrogative लिखना है. Fifth, the thief was caught by the police. ये क्या है? एक सेंटेंस है जो डिक्लेयर किया है, that is declarative. The children travel to school by bus. Declarative sentence. 7. Please. Please use किया है तो क्या होगा ये? Imperative sentence. Please take your medicines on time. Imperative sentence. 8. The boys are playing football in the park. Declarative sentence. 9. The bee hummingbird is the tiniest bird. Declarative. Then Lakshadweep Island have beautiful coral islands. It is declarative sentence. Then 11. When I grow up, I plan to visit all the Indian states. Declarative sentence. Then last sentence. How many books did you read during the summer holiday? Interrogative. Then D. Rewrite the sentences as directed. So first sentence is this is his new car. Convert to interrogative. इसे हमें interrogative में convert करना है तो ये ऐसे होगा. Is this his new car? Second, what a naughty boy he is. Exclamatory sentence है, इसे हमें convert करना है declarative में. He is a naughty boy. Third, this is disappointing news. Convert to exclamative. What disappointing news? Fourth, could you pass me my glasses? Convert to imperative. Please pass me my glasses. Fifth, this is the most boring film I have watched. Convert to exclamative. What a boring film this is. Sixth, how kind your neighbors is. Change to declarative. Exclamative sentence है उसे declarative करना है. Your neighbor is very kind. 7. This is very touching poem. Change to exclamatory. What a touching poem. Then 8. Would you open the door please? ये कौन सा सेंटेंस है? इंट्रोगेटिव. इसे हमें कन्वर्ट करना है इम्परेटिव में. प्लीज ओपन द डोर.